Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to kickflip. First you want to know the basic position. So your feet are going to be like an ollie, a normal ollie, on the tip here, and basically in the middle. And you might want to keep it a little back, so that you have room to take off and the board spin. So you're going to do like a basic ollie, kick down, and then flick up so that the board spins. And remember, you have to flick up on one of the sides so that the board spins, and then you land on it. Okay? Thank you.